So this is our calendar app. First page is login page where you can choose between login or register. So this is a register page where you can enter username, email, and password. Wait, all right. Let me try to log in, seeing I already have an account. So when you click login, it's gonna direct you to the journal link page of our application.
So once you log in, you'll be prompted with this page. Here we're going for a calendar application that has three primary features that we're targeting. It has the ability to journal. It has a calendar feature, so you can add and log any activities you want. And finally, the metrics feature, so you can review how much time you spent on each activity. So here, this is the calendar day view. It'll start from today, from midnight all the way to before the end of the next day. You can press this plus button to log an activity. And once you press this plus button, you'll be greeted with this screen. You can type in any title you want. So let's say I'm going to party with friends. Here I can choose a time slot. And I think this time is fine, 6:14 to 6:44. And here I have a drop down of activities. I've already pre-made 4. Each one is mapped to individual colors. So in this case, I'll stick with the event activity. And for now, I'll leave the description blank. I can press save. And here it'll reflect on my journal. I can also choose to edit this activity by clicking back on this bar. Let's say I'll stay an extra hour. Save. It'll reflect accordingly. And let's say I even want to create a different activity. So this is the process. You press the create activity button, and the activity you want to make, that I'll track on a day-to-day basis now, or quite often, is badminton because I'm into the sport. I press save, and now I realize I have badminton at 4:15 p.m. to 5:45. I'll confirm it. Change it to badminton. I will say badminton with friends. And today I won and beat my friends. Save it. And it'll show here accordingly.
So this is the journaling features. So the user is able, with that feature, the user is able to write down any activity or any plan that they have. For example, let's say, let's write down, for example, going jogging, for example. And as we can see here, once we do that, and when we go to all notes, we're gonna see that it will be safe. And as we can see in the all journal part, we see that our activity is being saved.
So here's an example where we went ahead and populated some more data. And as you can see here, this is the metric page where we can view a breakdown of each category of activity that we have. And we can see how many hours we spent on each. So for example, here, the blue, this is just generic event. Purple is badminton. Green is gym. Red is school. And we can see how many hours we spent on each activity and on which day throughout this month of December. And we can also compare that to what we did in November, which was last month. And here we can see that yellow here is cardio, but we can see how we can see trends in the activities, how many hours we logged for each category of activity throughout our months. And that wraps up our demo for Calendar Plus. Thank you for watching.